Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Fazilata. So I can make a egg and juice. So first of all, we put the juice and we wash dishes and put their space. Then we take egg. Then we on fire and the egg was fried. The egg is ready. We can also put the decoration, carrot, flower, and yeah, my egg is ready. So when egg is ready, we are going to make juice. We take spoon and chilling. So then we can add milk. Then we can add namak. Then we can put cap and mix it. So our juice is ready. This is spoon and we pour the juice. Oh, juice is pouring out. Don't worry, we can